forever. Hey guys, Brian here with another foundation repair tip of the day. Is foundation repair worth it? Well, depends on what your end goal is. If your end goal is to fix a problem and not have to worry about it again, yes. If your end goal is to refinance your house so you can get more money out of it and pull money out to redo the kitchen or something else, then yes. If it's to basically sell the house as is and get out as fast as you can and make as much money, probably not. But is it the best way to leave somebody with that problem for the future? Karma's a bitch. So just think about that the next time you think about it. Definitely fix your foundation if you have an issue with it. Don't run from it. Don't leave it to somebody else for their problem. And typically if you do, in California, a lot of the homes with foundation issues take a huge hit in the equity department when you go to sell it. Usually it's 25 to 30% just because you miss out on all the people that can want to get loans to buy your house get eliminated because nobody will loan on a house with a foundation issue, and you're left with investors or cash buyers, and they are stingy and they know they have the power, so they are going to undermine you and cut you by at least 25 to 30%. So think about that next time. Best scenario is to always get it fixed, and then you don't have to worry about it, lose sleep, or worried about the worst case scenario, getting sued down the road because you didn't fix it and tried covering it up. Hopefully that helps, and that's your foundation repair tip of the day.